Today we're gonna show you how to clean and maintain fresh air box or cube. Has few different names, or EcoBox, but that's the unit we're talking about. I already unscrewed so we don't waste your time unscrewing. There's 4 screws in here that hold the front grill. You want to take that off. Here are your brushes for ionization, negative and positive brushes. Okay, you can just brush them off just like this with a little brush or even your finger. And here you want to wipe the fan blade with alcohol and paper towels. That's what I do. And if you want, you can remove these 4 screws and take it out and clean it on the other side. Okay, and then you just put back the front grill using the 4 screws in the front. Okay, now in the back, we've got 2 screws in the bottom. You use that to take it out. And yeah, before that, you want to just pops right out the back screen, rear screen. Wash that, dry it, put it back. Just like that. And then you remove the back screen. You got your RCI cell and you got your ozone plate. Okay, and you want to unplug the RCI cell by pushing on those clips on the left and right and kind of wiggle it to the left and right, and it comes out and it slides right out. And when you get a new cell, you slide it back in and plug it right back in. The same with the ozone plate. This is where it plugs in. Wiggle it left and right. And here's a little clip to take it out. There you go. That's your ozone plate. When you get a new one, you slide that back in until it clicks. There's a little click in there. And you want to plug it back in tightly. And that's it. That's your ozone plate. That's the RCI cell. There's nothing, very simple. And then you just use the 2 screws to put it back in. And there you go. That's it.